How to fix Windows Update install error 800f0983. First, you will need to right click on the Start button and then open up the Settings page. Go to System, and then you should go to Troubleshooters on the left side if you're on Windows 11, or you can simply search for Troubleshooters right here and click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Now you want to select Windows Update from here and then click on Run the Troubleshooter and wait for this troubleshooter to run and detect any potential issues. Now if anything is found, it's going to suggest you what to do in order to fix the issue. So you can just click on Next and follow along to diagnose the problem. And once it's done, you can close the troubleshooter. The second way to fix it is to open up the PowerShell or CMD or terminal as admin. Right click on the Start button and then open it up from here with admin privileges. Now you want to run these commands. The first command is net stop wuauserv and press enter. Next command is net stop crypt svc and wait for it to run again. And the following command is net stop bits and wait for it to stop the service, and net stop msi server and press enter. Now you want to rename the software distribution folder and the cat root to folders by running these commands: ren for rename and then space and then the path to the folder. So the first path is C Windows software distribution and then space and specify the new name. For example, software distribution.old and then press enter. Next, you want to run the same command again, ren, but this time you want to provide c/Windows/system32/catroot2 and then space and the new name for the folder, catroot2.old, and then press enter. Now you want to run the commands to start these services that we stopped earlier: net start wuauserv and press enter and wait for it to start the service. The next command is net start crypt svc and press enter and wait for it to start the service. Next, net start bits and then press enter. And the last command is net start msi server and press enter and wait for it to start the server. Now you're pretty much done. You can close the command line and just restart your system. And this should usually fix the update error that you're getting. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful and see you in the next one.